making this quick intro. Did some Mexico runs yesterday for Cinco de Mayo. Shout out to everybody who came out. Hopefully next time we can have hella cars, like record hella people just having fun, you know, with the boys. And you know, I live in San Diego, and we had to drive to Tijuana to do these runs. So yeah, that's fun.
He's in the car. He's in the
like
car.
right
You
now,
can't
you
even
baby.
see him, bro.
He ain't getting paid.
Who do you think's the fastest here, bro? Right now, like just by looks, and then we'll see.
I'm gonna say a yellow car. I don't know who drove it here, but I'm gonna say a yellow car.
I don't know. It kind of looks like a sleeper. Like he got some slicks. I like. It's muscle versus BMWs.
I'm going with the muscle.
Nah, this Frostbite wasn't pulling up. Hey, you saw the white scat pack at the other place? Oh shit.
Bro, so I got $2, bro.
First time, bro, he was like, they told me, oh yeah, he's blowing stock. I was like, all right, y'all race the stock cat.
He be lying, bro. I thought he was.
Didn't even hit that told me because I didn't know him.
I mean, bro, $2 on the M3. Fuck it.
I was like, little boy, right? He's like, yeah, this is
$2, bro. Ain't nobody trying to raise $2, bro.
I race you on $2.
Okay, who do you want then?
I want the Hyundai, bro.
Hey, this is you want it?
I'll go with the Beamer.
Yeah, all right.
Operation Kill Off Horns. What if I get gat, bro? I'm nervous. I'm sweating and shit.
You got the cops out here. The cops sheriff too.
Right side.
Yeah, he has his cameraman too.
Slow it.
God damn! I fucking missed. Let him cool down. Bro, Rascal need to be back on the streets. Rascal need to be back on the streets. Oh, you have to do you?
He's all, you